You want to do something special for the man in your life. You want to give him a special gift, but you can't think of what. You could give him cash, but that just seems kind of tacky. And the gift you give him the other 364 days of the year is probably not a good idea, unless you did give him cash, and then he could buy himself. Hello, darkness, my old friend. You could always go the sexy lingerie route, but I mean, is that hooker even alive after the last time? No, you gotta put your guy on a pedestal like you would a boy band. Misshapen boners aside, this is where you're going to get the best gift ideas for him. Chances are pretty good that your guy already has enough electronic watches, step counters, GPS trackers, and other electronic type devices to make him feel like a registered sex offender. No, if you want to make him feel special, a modern take on a classic timepiece is in order. And no classic timepiece is complete without the double Albert chain and T-bar for the gentleman who wears a waistcoat. Like this exquisitely handsome young man wearing his. Nothing avoids the awkward conversation from the question, do I look old, better than not looking old in the first place? Have I mentioned that I'm 43? For any guy with kid or kids, this is the funniest thing they will ever read. Guaranteed. So much guaranteed that if they don't laugh, they can come and punch me in the face. For the current, former, or budding musician in your life, electronic drums are absolutely the tits. They're compact, and most importantly, they're quiet. In fact, they could be playing them right now. If playing kick-ass drums looks like a workout, it sure is. And what better way to work out than at home? I actually have 3 sets of these, one in my basement, one in my garage, and one upstairs. Whenever I walk past them, I think, I'll just rip off a few sets. They come with everything you need to do every kind of exercise you could ever want, and all the different levels of resistance you'll need to actually get a really, really good workout. Aw, sweet. This has got to be a new car. It's a new car, right? This is totally a new car. Incorrect. It's actually a gimbal. What's a gimbal, you didn't ask? Well, I'm glad you didn't ask. It's a 3-axis stabilizer that'll take your man's videography from Blair Witch nauseating to silky smooth and cinematic. I mean, check out this footage of my lawn. You don't even notice that it's brown, dead, and decrepit. Actually, it's not. My lawn's amazing. He'll be capturing everything from the natural serenity to the disco insanity. In his back pocket, every man carries a large leather lump of crap that he calls a wallet. But you can free him from the shackles of lower back pain with this amazing invention. This also goes by the name wallet, but is a hell of a lot nicer than the one that he currently has. It does all the usual high-tech stuff like hold money and hold cards, but it also blocks signals from Russian spies trying to steal his information. And like I always say, better dead than red. Everyone knows that you can plug your useless crap into your car's various ports, USB ports, cigarette lighter ports. But let's face it, honestly, when have you ever needed a cell phone to charge when you'd rather have things like your curling iron for your perm or your popcorn maker or your power drill? With this awesome device, your man will be the hero of every tailgate party or fashion show. And I guess, yeah, he'll be able to charge his camera so he can take pictures of it. This device should easily be number 1 on this list, which makes me wonder, since I'm the guy making the videos, why isn't it? Who cares? Gone are those cheap pieces of shit that clip into your vents and smell like Bora Bora. Newsflash, they don't smell like Bora Bora. No, this high-tech piece of aromatic weaponry comes with all kinds of different scents, and your man's car can start smelling like a man's car instead of the discount bin at Bargain Harold's. Poof. I want 6 of them. Poof. Other than being completely accurate by beeping when I aim them at myself, most stud finders are just annoying pieces of crap. Observe Exhibit A.
That's her right arm, it's screen left, it's usually easier to think of it like that, and it's going to be a track, so now when I'm doing a load of these, I'll just write TR.
Yep, every square inch of this wall must be covered with studs and electrical work. Enter the mother of all stud finders, the final stud finder you'll ever purchase in your life. Not only does it withhold its alarms until there's actually a stud to tell you about, it actually paints the width of the stud for you, so you can see behind the wall where it really is. Observe Exhibit B. Looks like no more ventilating the drywall with bullshit holes to nowhere for me. This gift idea is number 1 because it will make you a hero. So there you have it, top 10 gift ideas for him, and I did all the hard work. So the least you can do is like, subscribe, share, and use the product links below.